Tired of geo restrictions keeping you from the exciting world of crypto trading? Today, we're breaking down how to access and trade on Bybit and Binance from anywhere using a VPN. First, you'll need a reliable VPN. Do some research and choose one that offers strong encryption, analogs policy, and servers in locations where Bybit and Binance are fully accessible. Popular choices include Norton, ExpressNet, and Surfshark, but it's crucial to pick the right one for you. Next, download and install your chosen VPN app on your device. Then open it and connect to a server in a crypto-friendly location. Countries like Canada, Germany, or Singapore are often good options. Connecting to a server in these locations changes your IP address, making it appear as if you're browsing from within that country. Now, with your VPN active, head over to Bybit or Binance's website and log into your account. If you don't have an account, now's the time to create one, ensuring you complete any necessary KYC verification while connected to the VPN. Once logged in, you can navigate the platform just like you normally would. Browse the available cryptocurrencies, analyze charts, and execute your trades. Remember to always trade responsibly and manage your risk effectively. After you're finished trading, it's a good idea to disconnect from your VPN. This helps maintain your normal browsing speed and conserve battery life. That's it. You've successfully accessed and traded on Bybit and Binance using a VPN.